Hello friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your notification pop-up style. So how do you do that? Go ahead and do a swipe up, tap on settings here, then click on notification. Then from here, you want to click on notification pop-up style. Now guys, before I go forward, I would like to say if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to App IQ. I'm Andrew, and go ahead and give this video a like if by the end you find it useful. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, do me a small favor by hitting that subscribe button. This will help us to grow and also help you so that you'll never miss out when I release future video just like this one. Now, how do you go about changing those notification pop-up style? Now, you can do it in brief or you can do it in detail. So you can choose between these two, whichever you want. That's the first thing I want to say. And you can see from the imagery that shows what each of them looks like, right? So if you have the full details there, if you have the details there, it simply means that all notification will appear as detailed, right? So if you have the brief, then you have a bit more customization that you can do. You can first have the apps to show as brief, so you can click on that and you have access to all your apps that you can enable and disable those apps to show as brief, right? The next thing is to edge light system, and this is a very nice feature guys that you can play with. So if you tap on edge lighting style, what this will do is gives you a bunch of different styles that you can play with. So as you can see, the animation they're showing you what each of them look like, as you can see there, and some of them look really nice here, especially the spotlight one. As you can see, it brings the light from the topward, so that is very unique. The echo do it from the side, and the eclipse basically do it from the topwards. Right now, not only that, you can also play around with the colors. So if you click on colors, by default it's an auto, but you can play around and select specific colors, as you can see there, and it will give you different colors for whichever style that you choose. You can also custom and you can play around with the color palette there, and you can do that as well. Now on the advanced, it basically allows you to do transparent and duration, so you can play around with this how you like, but I definitely like the lighting system here within this section of the edge lighting style. Now you can also have color by keyword, so you can tap on that and you can put a specific keyword and you can experience the change there. Very interesting stuff now guys. And lastly, here you can see that you have the show even while screen is off, so you can toggle that on if you want to have those notifications show while your screen is off. And that's all there is to it now guys. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and subscribe if you're seeing the channel for the first time. See you next time for another tutorial just like this one.